Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Help Scout AI for customer message drafting, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Help Scout AI for customer message drafting, start by logging into your Help Scout account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings option located in the main menu. In the settings menu, look for the apps section and click on it. Scroll down to find Help Scout AI and click on the option to enable it. Review the description and features provided to understand its capabilities. After reading, locate the Enable AI button and click it to turn on the feature. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. If so, click Confirm. Next, navigate back to the main dashboard and open an existing conversation or create a new one. In the message drafting area, you should now see suggestions powered by Help Scout AI appearing as you type. Test the AI by typing a few words related to your customer's query. The suggestions will adjust based on your input to assist with drafting your messages. Select a suggestion to see how it enhances your response. If you want to customize the AI, adjust parameters like tone and style to fit your brand voice. Once you're satisfied with the configuration, begin using the AI for your customer communications. Monitor the AI suggestions and continue refining the settings as needed for optimal performance. You're now ready to streamline your customer message drafting with Help Scout AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.